How to edit brightness and contrast in Lensa. Let's dive right into editing your photos using Lensa, focusing especially on the brightness and contrast. Ready? Let's go. First things first, let's open the Lensa app. Once inside it, you will see this type of interface where you will be seeing all the photos that you have edited earlier or the photos that you have imported earlier right over here. And if the photo that you want to edit is not right over here, what you can do is simply tap on the plus button which is at the top. It's right over here from which you can add the photos which you want to edit. For example, I want to edit this photo right over here. Let's tap on it, then tap on import and it will be imported. Give it a time to be loaded. Once the photo is loaded, it's time to get to the work. And look for the editing option that says light. It's over here. Let's tap on it. And here you can see an option for the contrast. Just slide it through and change the contrast to your desirable one. I think this much is fine. Now for the brightness, what you can do is simply tap on the color right over here. So for your kind information, you can find the exact option for the brightness as we find in other apps, but right over here on this app you will be increasing the brightness according to the color, or you can edit the brightness according to the color grading and so on. As mainly the color is orange, let's tap on orange, and if you just slide the brightness, you can see the changes like this. Now you are happy with the changes that you made in the brightness and contrast, tap on save button which is at the top right corner over here. That will help you to save the changes that you have made. Wasn't that easy? Yeah, successfully edited the brightness and contrast of your photo in the Lensa. Now, why not try it on a few more images and bring your photos to the life? Give it a shot. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.